Hey guys, what's up? It's me Gungun, and in today's video I will be sharing with you all how I take notes. So first I'm going to show you the stationery supplies that I use. First I have these notebooks from Yova. Next I have some colorful pens from Pentonic, two blue ball pens, one highlighter from Camlin, some sticky notes, one 30 centimeter long scale, one pencil for diagrams, and some sketch pens. So guys, before taking notes you have to first read the chapter carefully, and you can just mark important things with a pencil, or you can just underline the important things. If you want, you can even use a highlighter, or to write important stuff you can even use sticky notes. So first I just write the name of the chapter with a black gel pen. If you want, you can even use a brush pen, sketch pen, or a marker to write the chapter name. And after writing the chapter name, I just take a blue sketch pen to write heading. So the heading is chemical and physical changes. After writing the heading, I just take a scale and a black gel pen and underline the word. And to write some keywords, I just use a sticky note and just stick it on my notebook. Then I just write the definition and some important points. So after writing the definition, I just write some examples, and for writing examples I'm just making this box. And now I am just coloring it with a blue color pencil. And now I'm just going to write the examples. So yeah, and after writing the examples I'm just going to write second keyword, which is chemical changes, and now I'm just going to write the definition of it. And you can just highlight some important words with a highlighter. And for writing examples, I'm just making another box. Now I'm just coloring this box, and after coloring this box, now I'm just going to write examples. So yeah. Next step is to draw diagrams. So for better understanding, you should always draw diagrams, and your diagram should be neat and clean. I'm not that good at drawing diagrams. So yeah, and after drawing the diagram, you should label everything properly. So yeah. So whenever I have to write any important point or any important question, I just take a sticky note and just write that point or that question on that sticky note, and then I just stick it on my notebook. So yeah. So guys, before ending this video, I want to show you guys this parcel which I have received from Yash Creations Art Shop, and they sent me this parcel. So thank you so much Yash Creations Art Shop for sending me this. First I got this pencil, then I got this cute button badge, another button badge, one sticker, and their business card, and one cute balloon. So thank you so much Yash Creation Art Shop for sending me this. And if you also want to buy these button badges, then you can just go ahead and buy this. The link will be in the description box. So thank you so much for sending me this. And yeah, that's all for my today's video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.